safe flight, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And please, supervise younger pilots.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del cohete. Cuide a los pequeños pilotos. Gracias.
To make your rocket ship fly higher, pull back on the control lever in front of you. To descend, just push the control lever forward. Thank you. Pilots, prepare for liftoff.
If you want your rocket to fly higher, pull back on the lever in front of you.
Astro orbiter is now beginning its descent. Please remain seated until your rocket ship stops and follow the arrows to the flight. Welcome back, pilots.
Seated. Alright, pilots, go ahead and exit your rockets on the left side of your rocket and the left side of your rocket only. Follow the big exit signs on both sides of the ground to your nearest exit. You're going to exit on the left side of your rocket and the left side of your rocket only.
Yeah, come on, Graham.
Signs on the ground to your nearest exit.